Hi, my name is Mary. All About Cats is about our kitty Tiger and written by John Cappleman. 200 stories you can find on Google at Cappleman underscore 45779 /X. Playing with Daddy, 35. Playing door, hide and seek, then pouncing at your feet. One eye covered, you can't see me. My paws are lightning fast. Touch and go, then hide again. So clever, I'm a kitty. Playing door, look at me. A kitty lives to play.